What's up, guys? Today we're going to be doing a video game tier list. Okay, so we're going to start with Red Dead Redemption. It's a pretty solid game, so I'll give it A tier. Right, now we got Halo. The show, the game is S tier, but because of the show, it's like a C tier. Right, Street Fighter, that's easy S tier. That's easy S tier. Legend of Zelda, that's an A tier. GTA, easy S tier. Call of Duty, S tier. Minecraft, A tier. Lego, we'll do like B tier. Guilty Gear, I've never played, so I don't know where to put it. So it won't be on the list. Super Mario, easy S tier. Everyone grew up with this game. Mortal Kombat, S tier. Yeah. Now we're going down. Pokemon. Where'd it go? Alright, we're gonna skip that one. Crash Bandicoot, literally I have this game on Switch and it is so addictive. So it's getting placed in S tier. Now if we go down, we'll get to some cool games, some great games. Five Nights at Freddy is Five Nights at Freddy is. Now I was gonna put it in B tier, but now because of the movie, S tier. Oh wait. Yep. Because of the movie, it is S tier. Now we go down. Now we're ranking. I didn't want to rank this one, but I have to for the video. We have Animal Crossing, F tier. Now we're going down. Okay, some of the games I grew up with aren't on here, and some of the games I did grow up with are here. Space Invaders is one of them. I'm going to rank that one. Space Invaders. If you like Space Invaders, you have my respect. S tier. Medal of Honor, I'll give it B tier. I've never really played this game. Doom, A tier. It's an okay game. Never really played it that much. Sonic, it's not going in C tier. It's going in A tier. Joking. I'm joking. S tier, bro. Sonic is the greatest game of all time. Now, Pokemon. I'm not even joking. Pokemon is S tier. Fallout, A tier. I have Fallout 4. It is so good. Portal. Not D tier. A tier. It's a good game. I love it. Okay, now we're going to see some of the games I'm not familiar with. So these are some of the games I can't rank because I've never played them, but I'm just looking for some I can rank because I have played them. Pac-Man, it's a classic. Where is it again? Where is Pac-Man, bro? I keep losing them. Okay, we're gonna skip Pac-Man. Alright, so Donkey Kong. S tier. You don't question me. One Piece. One Piece Pirate Warriors. That's our next one to be ranked. It's going in S tier. SimCity F tier. If you like The Sims, I am going to kill you. That's not even a threat. You deserve to burn. NBA 2K, never got to play much. I got two 2K games. I'll give it B tier. It's kind of dead, but it's an okay game. Bro, I'm trying to actually find a game that I can rank. Here's Pac-Man. If you have never played Pac-Man, you do not have a childhood. I have played Pac-Man. Everyone has played Pac-Man at one point. It's frickin' S tier. Resident Evil. C tier. Dragon Ball, A tier. Batman, I'll give it just thinking B tier. Doesn't really do much for me. Actually, hold on. Lego, A tier. I like Lego games. I have Lego Star Wars. I have Lego Star Wars. It's really good. Some games I can't rank because I've never played them. But some games that I know the series of, I can. Dead Space, it's a horror game, I'm pretty sure. I don't think it's in first person, which kind of affects its rank. I think I'll do A tier for this one. Now to get some actual really good games. Okay, I have not seen any games that I've played before or can rank. So speedrun game. I'm pretty sure this is a One Piece game, A tier. Ooh, Tetris. I have played this game. You know that kid that became the first person to beat Tetris? Major respect. Major respect. S tier. Versus, I've never actually know what this game is, what this means. I'll give it safe B tier. And yeah, guys, that's the finish. Kidding. We didn't do D tier yet. We have to put at least one game in D tier, which means where is it? Paper Mario games suck. If you like Paper Mario, I have permission to come to your house and kick down your doorstep. That's the tier list. If you're not happy with it, I don't care, bro.